Hello everyone, and welcome to the Success Solutions channel, where we talk about digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and mindset. In this video, I'll be talking about what is digital marketing, why is digital marketing important, what is the role of digital marketing, types of digital marketing, an example of digital marketing, what does a digital marketer do, does digital marketing work for all businesses, how to do digital marketing, and if you're ready to try digital marketing, what are the next steps? What is digital marketing? Digital marketing, or online marketing, incorporates all advertising or marketing initiatives that utilize a digital tool or the web. Companies utilize electronic networks such as online search engines, social networks, and email, as well as other sites to get in touch with existing and also potential clients. Why is digital marketing important? Digital advertising aids you in the approach to find a bigger target market than you would with a conventional approach, and also target the leads that are likely to purchase your products or services. Digital marketing is also more economical than your conventional marketing or advertising. It also allows you to gauge your daily success and pivot when need be. There are a few major benefits of digital marketing. Let's dive into them now. Number one, you can target only the prospects most likely to purchase your product or service. Number two, it's more effective than traditional marketing methods. Number three, digital marketing lets you outrank bigger players in your industry. And number four, digital marketing is measurable. What is the role of digital marketing? While typical advertising could exist with print advertising, mobile interaction, or physical marketing or advertising, electronic advertising can happen digitally and also online. This suggests that there are even more opportunities for brand names to get to clients, consisting of email, video clips, social media sites, and search engines. Types of digital marketing. Search engine optimization. SEO stands for search engine optimization, which is the art of ranking high on search engine in the unpaid section, also known as the organic listings. Number two, search engine marketing. If you want to get discovered, you will want to rank well for your target keywords. Number three is content marketing, a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. Number four is social media marketing, is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. Number five is pay-per-click advertising, or also known as PPC. It allows advertisers to place ads on search engines, social media platforms, and third-party websites, paying a fee whenever the ad is clicked. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Number seven is email marketing. Is the act of sending a commercial message, typically to a group of people using email. So what is an example of digital marketing? Any marketing strategy that takes place through digital means, usually through internet connected devices. So what does a digital marketer do? The online marketer normally focuses on key performance indicators, also known as KPIs, for each and every network, so they can appropriately determine the business's efficiency throughout each one. An online marketer that supervises search engine optimization, as an example, determines their internet site's natural web traffic. Of that web traffic originating from the internet, site visitors that discovered a business's website through a Google search. Digital marketing professionals supervise driving brand name, understanding, and also list building via all the electronic networks, both cost-free and paid, that goes to a firm's disposal. These networks consist of social networks, the business's website, online search engine positions, email, display ads, and a company's blog. Does digital marketing work for all businesses? Digital marketing can benefit any type of service in any type of sector. Despite what your business offers, digital marketing still entails developing a buyer persona to recognize your target market's requirements, as well as producing important online web content. Nevertheless, that's not to say that all organizations should carry out the same marketing strategy. How to do digital marketing? There's 8 easy steps to be able to create your own digital marketing strategy. Number 1, identify your goals. Number 2, identify your target audience. Number 3, establish a budget for each digital channel. Number 4, strike a good balance between paid and free digital strategies. Number 5, create engaging content. Number 6, optimize your digital assets for mobile. Number 7, conduct keyword research. And number 8, iterate based on the analytics you measure. If you're ready to try digital marketing, now what do? Now that you understand what digital marketing is and how it can help your business, you have a choice to make. Do you want to keep your marketing in-house, or do you want to outsource it to an agency? The answer normally depends on how much time and money you have. If you're interested in learning more about how my agency can help your business, please make sure to visit us at successsolutions.com. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.